Despite their sometimes bad reputation, blue jays can actually be somewhat helpful in the garden. They mostly feed on nuts and seeds, but they'll also eat caterpillars and other insects. These birds are more than capable of attracting other kinds of pests, destroying valuable plants, and eating your prized vegetables and fruits too, so they are a double-edged sword. Intelligent and related to crows, the blue jay can be beneficial to other bird species like your chickens, as it may chase predatory birds such as hawks and owls, and will scream if it sees these predators within its territory. It also has been known to sound an alarm call when hawks or other dangers are near, and smaller birds often recognize this call and hide themselves away accordingly. It may occasionally impersonate the calls of raptors, especially those of the red-tailed and red-shouldered hawks, possibly to test if a hawk is in the vicinity, though also possibly to scare off other birds that may compete for food sources. The blue jay is a bird you'll either come to love or hate. They're loud, aggressive, boisterous bullies who threaten smaller birds. The colorful blue jay is mostly bright blue above and white-gray below, with black and white bars on the wings and tail. It also sports a regal blue crest atop its head and a black necklace in its throat. Relatively large, blue jays measure between 9 and 12 inches long. Males and females are identical in appearance. Black markings on the face and throat vary considerably between individuals. Such variations may help blue jays recognize each other. These beautiful birds are so striking that they are often portrayed on greeting cards and other art. Blue jays often mate for life. The male offers the female morsels of food during courtship and continues to feed her when she sits on her eggs. Both the male and the female build the nest, a bulky, loose collection of twigs, branches, and grass located on a limb or on the crotch of a tree, about 10 to 15 feet above the ground. During nesting, the pair become uncharacteristically quiet and remain so until the young have fledged. Both adults feed the babies and zealously protect their nests by dive-bombing any intruders. Anyone who's ever watched a blue jay chasing other birds away from a feeder know that this species is aggressive and highly territorial. Like its relative the crow, the blue jay is known for having a complex social system. They tend to congregate in loose flocks of up to a dozen birds in the winter, and when they descend on feeders in those numbers, more timid birds are often frightened away. There's not much you can do but offer feeding stations in different parts of your property, out of sight of each other. This can give the shyer birds the confidence to return. Beyond acorns, blue jays have an eclectic diet and will eat fruits, insects, spiders, snails, tree frogs, and rodents. At bird feeders, blue jays make off with seeds and peanuts. The blue jay's habit of storing acorns and caches in the ground plays an important role in sprouting of new trees. Blue jays are especially happy with raw peanuts, raisins, bits of raw apple, and other fruits when offered in backyard bird feeders. Blue jays have a geographic range that is as expansive as their diet. Common throughout the Northeast, they are found year-round from Florida to southern Canada and as far west as Montana. In recent years, they've become a regular but still uncommon winter migrant to Oregon and Washington.